The IT and Fancy Cat Show.
My people, my people, my people, my people, my people. Welcome to Culture TV. I'm Empress Lovely. I have a treat in store for you, a true Rastafarian. He goes by the name Ras Ital. My people, welcome.
Greetings, Empress. Greetings to all the listeners. Greetings to the children of the Emperor. Greetings in the name of Holy Emmanuel I, Celestia. Greetings.
Ras Ital, you are a herbalist, yeah? You eat what you grow what you know. Yes. Tell us about one particular vegetable that you grow as a vegetarian.
Spiritually, the holy yam, that strong bunkle sistering.
My people.
The yam is brown like your skin. Brown like the ancestors of our people. Brown like the earth oppressed underneath the dirt, like how I and I was oppressed by our forefathers. Blazing hotter, the blessed I am.
Wow, the yam. I never knew it was sacred.
Symbolically, infinitely, the yam can be found in the Bible.
Really? The yam is in the Bible?
Yes, Empress.
Wow.
Genesis, Deuteronomy, Job's, Ruth, Joshua, Zechariah, Ezekiel, Joel, Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. And Jesus was born in Bethlehem.
Bethlehem. I saw what you did there. Bethlehem. That was clever. Clever. So, when you say in the Bible, you're talking about Adam and Eve?
You see, God made the yam on the 5th day with Adam, the Eve, and the serpent. Burn the serpent! Lightning and thunder upon a serpent!
Ras Ital, wasn't that an apple?
Erroneously, the serpent gave Eve a fruit which shall try use to tie Adam. Just like how the woman them use choppies tie man. So Adam get bringle and him take the yam and him cuff the snake in his rat.
Then what?
No, Fred, sister, I never said, is rat. Never said the other thing, sister.
Okay.
You know, say in Exodus, Moses take the yam and in the part the Red Sea, Empress.
No, seriously, I want to get that. Wasn't the sea part by the staff? A staff?
Indirectly.
Right.
Moses employ a staff. The man them we are work with Moses, and them take the yam, throw in at the Red Sea and it make a big splash. And the Red Sea parted. Celestia!
Really? So, Ras Ital, what are the healing properties of the yam?
The yam can cure things like the common cold or cancer. It can cure the poison in your blood what them call hepatitis. Yes, it can cure those new diseases that them call STD, HIV, JLP and PNP and the new disease named Betty and B.
I'm ready for you. Ras, you know, you've enlightened us, right? But something just doesn't, it not connect, how can yam cure all ailments, all diseases? It don't make no sense. What kind of grass the man has smoke? It don't make no sense.
You have any of these ailments or disease that you talk about?
No, I don't.
You eat yam?
Yes, I do.
The holy yam has cured you from all your ailments and disease. Blessings, Celestia!
Ras Ital, tell me something. Doesn't it say in the Bible, I think it's Numbers to be exact, that thou shalt not eat the fruit of the vine. So all Ras and yam vine.
The yam is not the root of the vine. The vine is of the yam. So the yam is of the vine.
Thank you.
Lightning.
Thank you, Ras Aito. Thank you very much for passing through studio. My people, my people, my people. Thank you.
The great yamas are they you to be our empress.
That's all the time we have
Yes.
for today.
Today,
Culture TV.
I shall give you an African name.
Empress Love.
Born Empress Lovey.
been my
You shall be called
pleasure
Empress Miri Yam.
This feature to you.
And I
It's a joy.
going to
My
cook
people.
whole heap of yam.
My
Slow yam,
My
fried
people.
yam.
Yes.
Me I need to talk.
So I have a question for you, Ras Aita. Are you going to yam my yam? Enjoy
Burn
it.
that! Nothing
Enjoy your day, family. Enjoy your day.
Lightning, fire, thunder, burn you, burn.
All island. Hey, listen, we're at the center. This is Middlesex. No carnival, no sorry, we're at the center of the country. I also find the real Minnow River. I also find Bullhead
Yep.
Mountain.
Yep. I know here's what we call it. Clarendon. Warrington.
So this is the next stop.
Yes. So we're actually there at Maypen.
Oh, by the way, this is IT and this is Fancy Cat.
And if you never know,
Yeah.
I will busy up yourself inside
And
of
tour.
Maypen, mess with some people. That's what I'm saying. I ask them why this town is called Maypen. Let's check. Check.
All right.
Follow it. And why them call up the Clarendon?
Clarendon, done, we're real done.
Merciless hour.
We are fully done too.
And you are?
Done.
Tell them where your name.
Lollipop in personal, man. Right round him, this place, everybody say lollipop. Me used to ride bike up and down, so them I say every time they sleep on the back, get them. All right, Lolly?
Lolly.
Yeah.
Yeah, Dolly.
Yes.
Willie and Dolly.
Yes, I.
I'm a Willie.
All right.
No, this is the parish where the most 1 foot people live. Come and show you. Come over here, sir. No, so because so much 1 foot people live down here, them sell shoes just 1 foot. Other man here sell clothes. Yes, sir. Let me say it again. Una hear me say a while ago. Other man here sell clothes. Yes, sir. First thing first, him is a muggle of the clothes where him sell. That's why the man buzzes, sir. You understand me? I say, which one of them you really buy for your bona fide woman? What's your name? What's your woman name?
Janet.
Janet. Where you name?
Donovan.
Donovan. And woman name Janet.
Yeah.
A fair man name.
Mikey.
When we are tour, can't find the food stand first with their carrying and watches. Boom. Every tour, every stop.
I can't help it. Get jerk chicken neck and
Chicken neck and chicken back and chicken.
hold on, where you buy?
The chicken neck, man.
For how much? $50?
$50 would.
Alive.
Yeah, 50 to make way.
No tax on the planet.
No.
No tax load, they will tax it. Where the rest of your teeth them?
Then last.
And them people make the whole country know say teeth for skin. Come on, scoop. Hold on, can't no chair. Where's chair skin with it right now? Chair skin with it right now.
Me know you're not this hungry.
Come on.
You put tax on the melon. Look where me
Oh,
the
God,
child
man.
and shall enjoy the tax to reach, you know. And the tax and the melon should reach. That's here been around the rim there. Oh, you have to, it reach a throw point yet?
Not yet.
I'm a Sunday 101. Can't tell the people I'm a black my star, my lad. From morning, we don't sell nothing.
People, this is our world premiere. And the first one ever hear this in the history of the country.
Maga Fancy Cat.
Yes, when she called Fancy Cat Marga, you know it's a reason. So we are going up on Summerfield and Chapperton. People, trust me. Eh?
You have the license?
Yeah. Me I work on it. I work on it, man.
Can't drive it.
Can't drive it.
No.
How much can hold?
Any amount you can hold in.
How much in there right now?
How far in here?
How much I had?
No, there's not enough for your part.
The man in a red skirt in a Scott Sparks Clarendon. Look at it, man. A skirt that, man. Tie it to, man. A skirt that. That is a skirt.
Why you shave off your eyebrow and use a pencil dry it back?
The barber never shave it properly.
Yes, because the right one, so the right one. Zoom in for the right one. The right one. Right, look so.
Yes, I'm Fancy Cat, and
She come from London.
great, and I'm the brother of the Prime Minister of Jamaica. Do you see any resemblance?
Oh, yes, I see him. You
Time.
look like a woman.
Town people we are showing you. This is a little stall on the side and them have a meter. Them now a bridge. On the need for go back to the good old days, a thinking tour. This is the thing. Thinking tour.
Yes,
Which part?
Which TV show you watch?
Oh.
Don't talk. Alright, thanks for watching. This is IT.
And that's the hotel Fancy Cat.
You want to see more? Where you go?
No, do that because I realize I'm going to watch the video. But not so much comment.
Yes.
So no need for comment.
Yes.
And share some more.
And subscribe. Tell a friend to subscribe.
Yeah. You see
Alright.
me?
Thanks for watching IT.
Fancy Cat.